Imagine a world where grinding grain meant hours of back-breaking labor. Then came watermills and windmills, game changers of the medieval era. These machines turned natural forces into mechanical power, making food production faster and easier. But they didn't stop at flour. Mills powered saws, hammers, and even textile production. Without them, medieval economies would have been stuck in the slow lane. So, how did they work? Let's dive in. Watermills were the first to take off, using flowing rivers to turn massive wooden wheels. These wheels powered grindstones, crushing grain into flour with minimal human effort. But they weren't just for food. Some mills powered bellows for blacksmiths, helping forge weapons and tools. The best part? They ran on renewable energy. No coal, no pollution, just good old-fashioned water power. Talk about medieval sustainability. Then came windmills, perfect for places without fast-flowing rivers. These towering structures used wind power to turn gears and grind grain. The Dutch took windmill engineering to the next level, using them to drain swamps and reclaim land. Some even powered sawmills, cutting timber for shipbuilding. With windmills, medieval societies could harness energy almost anywhere, no river required. Mills weren't just for grinding grain. They powered entire industries. Fulling mills pounded wool to make cloth, replacing hours of manual labor. Paper mills turned rags into parchment, fueling the spread of books and knowledge. Even early ironworks used water-powered hammers to shape metal. These machines didn't just make life easier, they laid the groundwork for future industrialization. Who knew medieval tech was so advanced? Owning a mill was like having a medieval gold mine. Lords and monasteries controlled most mills, charging farmers a fee to grind their grain. Some even had monopolies, forcing locals to use their mill or face fines. But millers weren't always honest. Some secretly adjusted the grindstone to take extra flour as payment. A little medieval service fee, if you will. No wonder millers had a reputation for being sneaky. Mills didn't just change industry, they shaped entire landscapes. Rivers were dammed, canals were dug, and windmills dotted the countryside. Some villages even grew around mills, becoming bustling trade hubs. The demand for mills also drove innovation, leading to better gears, stronger materials, and more efficient designs. These weren't just machines. They were the engines of medieval progress, paving the way for the Industrial Revolution. So, next time you see a windmill or watermill, remember, they were the power plants of the medieval world. These ingenious machines turned natural forces into mechanical energy, revolutionizing food production, industry, and even city planning. Without them, the Industrial Revolution might have taken centuries longer. Who knew medieval engineers were so ahead of their time? Now, go impress someone with your newfound mill knowledge.